Hi, this is a demo video for Mosaic Wellness Fellowship built around myself, Pankaj Singh. I'm a third year student at Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce, Delhi University. So we had several problem statements that we could have chosen from, and I chose HR team where we had to build an AI hiring environment. So I made Legion X. I made this web application with the help of Claude, ChatGPT, and I deployed it with the help of Emergent. Legion X does everything what the problem statement asked for. It does JD basing, it generates assessment. It also has a clean test taking experience for the candidates, and it also scores and evaluates the assessment right after when candidate submits their assessment. Also, it has a leaderboard where AI recommendations for the ranked candidate list appears, and it basically works across every function, be it marketing, be it HR department, be it engineering function. It works across every function, literally. Let's see. Let's move to the web application. So I have connected the web application and I have deployed the project on legionevents.in. So when we go to the legionevents.in page, this landing page appears. So it is a very clean and appealing landing page which says transform your hiring process. And I've also embedded a demo video which shows how clean and smooth and premium the platform looks like. And this is a footer. We can go ahead and sign in, and I have integrated Emergent's own authentication endpoint, which was very easy to integrate with the help of Emergent. We can go ahead and just sign in and sign up. Once you sign up with a fresh email ID, it redirects you to the landing page, and once again, you can log in with that email ID or Google account. So I'll log in with an email, which is my own email. It will give you a random OTP, which is for testing purpose. Once you log in, you can see the home page where you can see the toggle of hiring assessments, candidates, and score, which shows how many candidates have appeared for this assessment for so far, and it also shows how many hiring is ongoing. And I've also added a dark mode, which is very convenient, I would say. So in the recent hiring toggle or widget, you can see the recent hirings that we were into. It also has a weather app, which I believe a very useful widget. For example, if we go ahead and search Thane, it will give the weather details for Thane and it will update accordingly. It also gives you basic and recent corporate HR news, which is static at the point. And also, you can add world talks over here. Once you click on the logo pad, it uh, refreshes the page. If we go to the hirings section, you can see all the active and completed hirings. If we go and create a new hiring, it creates a thread where assessments and leaderboard connect to the same thread for the same hiring for the same domain. We are going to test uh, with the help of Naukri.com job portal, and we are going to check and test this feature with a random job which is being posted on Naukri.com. Program manager job here. So we are going to copy the job description of the job right here. We have um, copied the job description and we are going to name the uh, okay. So we are going to name the hiring name with the technical program manager role. We will leave description blank. So it starts the hiring session. We can go ahead and paste the job description, or we can also upload job description. We have pasted and it pages with AI. We have integrated PDF analyzer and it works with OCR and it extracts the JD and gives you same results. Now we can configure the kind of assessment we want for the hiring for the role. So for the testing purpose, we're going to select easy and we're going to select only 20 questions. So it generates 20 questions which includes technicality questions and short answer and scenario based basic HR corporate questions which assess the candidates well. So it is generating assessment. It takes within 60 seconds to generate the assessment. Here we can see the assessment has been generated, and we can add candidates. For example, I'm adding a candidate. Yes, I've added a candidate, so it has been added. Now we can also download a template, and we can edit that Excel sheet and upload that Excel sheet, and it will directly import candidates. For example, I'm uploading a Excel which has four candidates: Toki, Pankaj, and it is me. And I just added Pankaj Singh manually, so it is showing two Pankaj right here. We can go ahead and generate shareable link, and once it generates the shareable link, we can go ahead and send it to the candidate. So we are going to attempt the test for ourselves. So here the test page appears for the candidate, and I'll write a test for the program manager assessment. So I'm going to write a random email here. So we can attempt the test. I'm going to attempt the test as a testing purpose. We will go directly to 20 question and we'll submit the test. Once we submit the test, it will give us the result right away. It is scanning the answers and it is giving us AI recommendation for the assessment that we have given. So we have only scored 5%, and it says strengths and area for improvement. It gives us AI recommendation right away. Overall performance is very weak, 1 correct out of 20, 2 incorrect, and 17 unanswered, indicating insufficient baseline knowledge. Okay. So if we go back to the portal, and if we go to the view result, it gives us the result, and it says one candidate have scored and Anshu has only scored 5%. And if we go and give another test, I'm going to answer anything without even seeing the question. I'm going to go directly submit button. So I have scored 15%, and it also given me a recommendation in my strengths and my area for improvement. And if we go back to the leadership board, we can see that Rao Kumar has been updated to the leaderboard, and we can see he has topped the leaderboard. And we can go to the leaderboard section and see for the program manager role how the candidates have performed. Then we can see Rahul Kumar has scored 15%, 30 point that is, and we have got a full AI recommendation for the candidate. Correct understanding of we can see beautifully the application gives us AI recommendation. We go to the assessment, and we can see all the assessment that we have created with the web application. If we go to the hotel staff, you can see we can add, add or remove questions here. It shows how many candidates have taken the test, and also gives a shareable link for the test. And it updates the candidates who have taken tests right away when the candidate assessment is done. So basically, this is it, and this was all about Legion X. Thank you so much.